Welcome to Venice, the Indiana Jones library.
Outside.
What have you got, you fat seagull? Ways of getting into the canals. Backstreets of Venice. We're going to check your heads off.
Hi.
It's a bit cloudy. Cloudy boo.
Yes.
Say hello to the camera. So where are we?
We're in Venice. My hair looks disastrous.
Doesn't look too bad. Well, welcome to Venice. We are somewhere by the bus station, at the starting point of Venice. We shall make our way into town. It's just kind of weird because it's like, you know, this is just generally what you just see a road down normally, wouldn't you? But no, you've got a canal going for it. Library, isn't it?
The library. The library.
The Indiana Jones library.
Outside of the library from the Last Crusade.
What have you got, you fat seagull?
I don't even know what that is.
Looks like some blubber. What is that?
I feel like I'm on a travelogue or something.
You need to talk. No. You
Hello.
can't just do that and not
I know,
talk.
I know. Ah, hi. We're at the Duke's Palace, I think, which is called Doge.
Doge.
Which is like... Doge.
Cryptocurrency.
Doge. Oh god. Now it is a big museum. And we have in...
Do you want a script?
Would you like a script?
I've got a script here in my hand. See? There.
That's really nice. You don't come here for scripted professional stuff. You come here for the off the cuff stuff.
Yeah.